Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I'm gonna show you this basketball arcade machine that this brand sent to me for this video. You can see my neighbors over there, my actual friends, they're using it with their son. But this thing, which I'm gonna show you in a close-up in a few seconds, is number one, easy to assemble. It's gonna take you about like 35-40 minutes roughly, no more than that. Then the other thing, it has a really good and firm support, so not like some of the other ones that comes with multiple legs. This one comes with a big and thick leg, which is gonna hold on the really good frame as well. The other good thing, it comes with multiple modes, batteries. You put some batteries, you don't need any cables or anything. So you have arcade, you can set a head-to-head, you have many other modes. It also comes with 4 balls, basket balls that you can inflate with the inflator that is included, and just play again with the arcade display, the arcade sounds. It comes with sounds and even some other things like clapping and cheering and things like that. So that is really good. We're gonna take a closer look. So while they're playing, I'm gonna show you that this has a really nice frame and support. You can see that it's not even moving too much, so that is a good sign, of course. But also, you can manage the height on this one and modify the height, as well as taking this pin off and making the whole thing foldable to save some space. So that is really cool. There you have the scoring system over there. As you can see, it works really good. You have the 2 ones. Ooh, almost there. One more. Almost there. When I get this one, probably. Okay, we got another one in. We got another one. And the scoring system works really good, just like that, doing a head-to-head and cheering and buttons and applauses and all that. By the way, you control everything with this controls over here, which you can control the volume, play and pause, and you can change the mode, and you can start all over again. Everything right here in the palm of your hand. You can get a better picture of how it looks. Thick frame, again, this is a thick frame, and you have that fabric that's gonna hold the balls actually with this frame, and then you have the net on the sides and also the scoring system back again for 2 players. I think this works really good, and of course the easy assemble that they told me, because I didn't do it actually. My neighbor did it, and he said that it was super easy. Did it with his kid and have fun doing it as well. So if you're just gonna have fun with your kids or hosting a party or just social gathering, just remember you have this one, battery operated, for having so much fun and of course being the envy of the neighborhood.